Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to try and recreate makeup look that I found on Pinterest the other day, and I just fell in love with it because it's a very nice, fresh, youthful and fun summer makeup look. This is the picture that's going to be my inspiration today, and as you can see it's a little bit on the editorial side because there's a lot of blush going on even on her forehead, but her skin looks very fresh and glowy. Her eyebrows and lashes are very natural. I'm not even sure if she has any mascara on. I just really love this eye makeup, so I thought it would be fun to try it. Unfortunately, I don't have an orange eyeshadow as nice and bright as this one, but I will do what I can with what I have. And what I have is this bright eyeshadow palette from NYX, so we'll see where that's gonna take me. So because her skin is very fresh and glowy, I'm going to start with the Illuminating Primer from Physicians Formula. And for my foundation today, I'm going to use the Fresh Face Dream Cushion Foundation from Maybelline. You guys know how much I love this foundation because I used it many times in my videos and it's one of my favorite foundations ever. Now for my brows, I'm going to use this brow pencil from L'Oreal, and I will just use it very gently because I want to keep my brows as natural as possible today. And that's it for eyebrows. Now I'm going to use a liquid bronzer from Benefit. Why am I always sneezing while filming a video? And to get even more bronzy look, I'm going to use this bronzer from Tanya Burr Cosmetics. Now I'm going to use the Nars Radiant Creamy Concealer and I will apply it on my eyelids as a primer. Now I'm going to take this orange eyeshadow right here and I will start by applying it with my finger. Now with this flat brush I will apply it in my crease. So this is what this eyeshadow looks like on its own. I think it's actually really cool. I could probably even leave it just like that. But let's go back to my reference photo. She has a little bit of a yellow eyeshadow under her brow, so I'm going to try and do it as well. And for that I'm going to take this yellow color right here because it's more warm and more orangey than this one. So this is what it looks like, and I have to say that I'm actually very impressed by these NYX eyeshadows. I think they look very pretty considering how affordable they are. Now she also has a little bit of a sparkly pink eyeshadow in the corners of her eyes. So I'm going to take this Stila Smudge pot first and I will apply it in the corners of my eyes. And then I will take a little bit of the same orange eyeshadow and I will apply it on top of that. I feel like it's time to set my makeup, so I'm going to take my Mercier translucent powder. I'm not going to apply it everywhere because I want to keep that glow, but just a little bit around my nose. Now I'm applying my Maybelline Fit Me concealer just to clean the area around my eyes a little bit. And like I said, I'm not sure if she's wearing any mascara for this makeup, but I'm going to apply my Maybelline Great Lash Mascara in the color Royal Blue. I feel like this blue mascara is just perfect for this kind of fun summer makeup. Now it's time for blush. So here you can see that she has a lot of blush, especially on her temple. I will try and recreate it as much as I can. I'm not sure where this is going, to be honest. But I just hope I will know when to stop. I feel like this cream blush isn't really adding any color to my face, so I'm going to grab this one from Estee Lauder and apply even more around my eyes and on the apples of my cheeks, like right here. There, now I can see it. When you look at her face, you can really see a very glowy cheek. So I'm going to add a little bit of glow on my face now with the Cover FX Enhancer drops. And what really makes her look so fresh and youthful is freckles. So I'm going to add a little bit of faux freckles on my face right now, and that's going to be my first time. What if I just left it like this? But I'm not going to, don't worry. I'm just going to take my foundation sponge from Maybelline, and I will try to kind of push them into my skin to make it look more natural. Okay, so that was my first experience wearing faux freckles on my face. I think it went so-so. I think I need to practice a little bit more. Let's move on to the final step, and the final step is lips, of course, and I'm just going to line them a little bit with my Essence lip liner, and this one is in the shade Wish Me a Rose. I'm actually going to use this lip liner as a base color on my lips, and I'm going to take this Maybelline lipstick. This is all I have left, so as you can see, I really enjoyed using it. Okay, so there you go. This is my Pinterest-inspired makeup look. I know it's not perfect, but I'm actually quite happy with how it turned out, especially my eye makeup and my faux freckles, because that was a new territory for me and I didn't know what I was doing. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I have to say that I had a lot of fun trying to recreate this Pinterest makeup look, and I don't know, maybe I should do it more often. That would be fun. Anyway, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.